you know that nearly in 3 in 10 teen girls in the U.S. will get pregnant at least once before the age 20? That's more than 700,000 teen pregnancies each year. According to the CDC, Center of Disease Control and Prevention, in 2012, a total of 388,000 babies were born to women ages of 15 through 19. That's nearly a live birth rate of 29.4 per 1,000 women. So nearly all teen pregnancies are unplanned. So teens have babies at a young age, and they don't think about becoming parents. So some may know friends who have gotten pregnant, or who have for example, or other or had siblings pregnant at a young age. Like, I know my mom had my sister at a young age. I know my friend's sister who had her son at age 15. So some may say being sexually active is cool and fun, but teens don't see the whole picture. Therefore, parenthood comes sooner than expected. Today, I would like to share more with everyone about the problem of teenage pregnancy that has been happening over the years, and by the end of the speech, you'll think twice of becoming a young parent. So when it comes to teens, don't think about the consequences. Stated by stateteen.org, weirdly enough, almost 50% of teens have never thought about having a pregnancy would affect their lives, even when having a baby could be one of the most life-changing things to happen to them. So problem one, when they have a baby, they're not ready to become a young parent. Therefore, they never finish school. According to the Office of Adolescent Health, they describe the teens as likely to finish high school. Therefore, they have to drop out and bear parenthood. According to www.dosomething.org, parenthood is the leading reason that teen girls drop out of school. More than 50% of teens mothers never graduate from high school, or less than 2% graduate from college. It's hard to juggle homework and a baby at the same time. For example, stateimpact.org uses a 19-year-old teen named Kathleen Clemente, who had dropped out of school and had to raise a child. She states, "I started to feel very uncomfortable with people staring at me and things like that. She felt weird, so she had to drop out, and she never finished school." Problem two. Once teens have the baby, they have a hard time taking care of the young ones. According to the Office of Adolescent Health, they describe the teens as being more likely to be poor as adults, and more likely to have children who have poor educational, behavioral, and health outcomes over the course of their life. Also stated by the Office of Adolescents, teens are more likely to rely on public assistance, so therefore that teens don't have enough income, they have to rely on the public, which that case costs us more money. Even when having a baby, it doesn't strengthen the relationship. For example, stateteen.org states 8 out of 10 fathers do not marry the mother of the child. It is also true that these absent fathers pay less than $800 annually in child support, and often because they are poor themselves and can't afford support payments. So teens have a hard time taking care of the young one. So moving on, there's causes why teens get pregnant at a young age. One reason is that they're not educated on the topic.